Here at home, we insist that our government reassess its population control program. This is serious. Rizal calls our country the pearl of the Orient Seas. And wherever you go, people are still smiling. I hope that we maintain and we sustain our moral values. We hear the oft-repeated declaration that our government does not promote abortion, as this is prohibited by the Constitution. Yes, verbally yes. But what is being done is different. They say they are engaged only in the distribution of contraceptives, and this is already intrinsically evil. But some of the contraceptives they are distributing are abortifacient and therefore virtually cause abortion. This is a grievous sin against human life, not just because we Catholics view it to be a serious sin, but because human life is actually killed. The distribution of such contraceptives should cease immediately if the government is truly anti-abortion. The experience of the United States should also give it great pause. Free contraceptive use was supposed to inhibit abortions. In fact, abortions increased. The bottom line effect of government's contraceptive program may therefore really only be an eventual increase of abortions in our country and an eventual liberalization of our laws penalizing abortion. My sisters and brothers, I belong to a family of 16, and I am the 14th. If there was a contraceptive pills in those days, I would not be your Archbishop now. My sisters and brothers, we did not gather here together only because of the forthcoming Cairo conference. We are here because the disturbing agenda of Cairo has effectively been launched and is already being implemented in the Philippines.